Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I thought we'd talk about camping cots. I get a lot of questions about where did I get my camping cot and how long is it? I mean, I know all this information's in the descriptions, but some people that are visiting channels for the first time or just are new to YouTube, they don't realize that all these things are in the description. So I thought I'd make a really quick video about what kind of camping cot I have, the dimensions, and where I bought it from. I have a Coleman ComfortSmart cot. I purchased it from Amazon, and back then I want to say I paid almost $100 for it. And it is on Amazon right now for $47. You heard it. You heard it correctly. $47, guys. Now I'm going to tell you this. When you buy camping cots, you're not really buying the cot itself for the foam, you know, the little foam pad on it, because that thing is just janky and I mean, it's okay, it lasts for a while, but it's not the most comfortable. It doesn't have a lot of support. It just kind of smushes down and then you're kind of on the canvas of the cot. I did use it for a full year and it was good. It was comfortable enough in the beginning, but after a fashion it did wear on me. So I did replace it with a custom cut 3-inch like RV mattress kind of a thing. I had a custom cut at the foam factory. I live in Michigan. You can get these custom cut online and sent to your home. Anyhow, I will tell you this. I love my new mattress. So along with the cot itself, the frame that you're going to buy for $47 is well worth $47 for just the frame. You'll see what I mean when you purchase it, and maybe you can find your own mattress for it if this one doesn't suffice. But just want to let you know that I love this cot. It's an elevated cot, obviously 15 inches high, and everything in my van goes under it. That's the kind of guy I am. I'm the kind of guy who doesn't like everything out in the open. It has to be contained, put away, and when I enter my van is completely organized and clean. I'm a less is more kind of guy. You know, bring what you need, not what you think you might need, just in case, because that's where the clutter begins. Yeah, I'm that kind of guy. So $47 on Amazon, and to me it's a fantastic deal. It's going to be a fantastic deal for you just for the frame alone. You can buy whatever kind of mattress you want to go on top, but you're going to love this thing. It fits me perfectly. And I chose a shorter cot, by the way, because in the back of my van here, at the very end, I put a camping kitchen. So I needed some space to put this box kitchen I have. It's like a chuck box kind of thing. And I wanted that space. But they do make longer cots, so if that's your thing, you know, that's awesome too. But for us shorties, vertically challenged kind of people, 69 inches is great. And it leaves you a ton of room in the back of your van, or even in the front of your van if you wanted to push it all the way back, whatever. To put the link to this cot in the description, so please check it out. And I'm also going to add all the links to everything I use in my van in the description, but I will put the Coleman ComfortSmart cot at the top so you don't have to scroll through. All right, guys, just checking in, letting you know the good news. Hope you're having a fabulous day today. I'll catch you later. Until next time.